what I do, I got most of that stuff out of there. Now I can see all the dash. I'm getting ready to jump in there with a plasma cutter and around the fuse panel, and there's a bunch of wires in there. What I do is I wet shock tails. Just wet them down real good, and drape them over all your wires, all your boxes. I have pretty good luck with that. I haven't caught nothing on fire yet, and I don't plan to. I also choose to keep just a little garden spray bottle with a little bit of water in it because stuff does catch on fire a little bit. It helps. I'm gonna get in here and snip a few of these old brackets off that we don't need no more real quick.